Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Kaka. So guys, today I'll be making a headband wig and I'll be doing a voiceover for this video because I couldn't use the original audio for this particular video. Okay, so I'll start off by using my wig cap. I'm going to place my wig cap on my mannequin's head. As you can see, I'm presenting you with different types of wig caps, so you can just use any of your choice. But for me, I'll be going in with this wig cap because I'm going to crochet the hair extension through the wig cap. Then I'll be using the kinky curl for darling kinky curl for this video, for this DIY. And as you can see, it's so bouncy and curly. So this is what I'll be using. And yes, this is how it looks, the darling kinky curl, and I'm using it in black. So now I'm just showing you how it is. It's actually wefted. It's not a crochet extension. No, it's wefted. So I'm going to clip off all those the wefts. I'm going to clip off the extensions from the weft and crochet the hair extension through the wig cap. So this is how it is, bouncy, nice, soft. So now I'm just crocheting the kinky hair through the wig cap, and I used only one pack, but I would advise you, if you can get up to 2 packs, then fine, because I realized that the hair wasn't as full as I wanted it to be. And I'm not doing a detailed video on how to crochet this, so if you've not watched my video on how to crochet how to make crochet braids, please do so. I'll try and leave the link somewhere in the description box for you to view that. So I'm just going to crochet these extensions all through the hair. But if you notice, you see that I'm not starting from the rim of the wig cap. Yes, I left some few inches because that is where I'm going to sew in my headband. So you also want to do that if you're going to recreate this style. Yes, you need that space for your headband. So I'm just going to crochet this all over the wig cap until I'm done with my hair extension. So this is the finished product. As you can see, it looks full. Yes, I had to use another kinky hair to fill up the spaces. So now I'm going to make my headband, and I'm going to use a satin material, my elastic, and my mini sewing machine. Yes, I got this from Jumia. So if you need one, you could also get that. And this is what I sewed. This is my headband. That is the elastic covered with satin material. And then I want to place the headband on the wig cap, so I'll know where exactly I'm going to sew the headband on the wig cap. And if you're going to recreate this style, you need to pay close attention to this, because however you sew it is how you're going to wear your wig. So you want to make sure you place it how you want, how to be very favorable to you, and then you can take it off and sew the headband around the wig cap. So this is what I want. This is what I want. This is how I want my wig cap. How I want my headband to be on my wig cap, as you can see. So I'm going to sew that now, and I'll show you the finished product. So you can see this video isn't long because this style is very easy. This is the finished product. I've sewn the headband round, and there you go. So if this video was very detailed and if you know you're going to recreate this style, please leave your comments in the description box below, and also leave suggestions of hairstyles and DIYs you want me to make for you. Thank you.